Right. Good morning, guys. Today the topic is our parabola. Okay. In this chapter, we get the one long answer and one very short answer. The total weightage of the parabola is 9 marks. Now, today we discuss what is parabola, what is the types of parabola. Now, what are the topics in this chapter? Today we discuss the briefly. Now, first one, the discussion topic in this chapter. First one is conic section. This is conic section, and next one is definition of parabola. Definition of definition of parabola, and third one is standard form of parabola. Standard form of parabola. Standard form of parabola, and types of parabola. Types of parabola. Now, some of examples. These are the today topics we discuss. The first one is conic section. We have to know the what is conic section, and second one is definition of parabola, and third one standard form of parabola is nothing but y square equal to 4ax. Very important to the standard form of parabola. In so many times, in number of times in IP they will ask the question, that is the standard form of parabola. Now, so next one is types of parabola and examples. Now, what is a conic section? Now, we have to know that what is the conic section. The conic section is nothing. Now, the conic section of this chapter, we discuss the topic, the conic section. What is a conic section? The locus of a point. The conic section definition is nothing but the locus of a point moving on a plane such that its distance from a fixed point and the fixed straight line in the plane are in constant ratio. E is called a conic. Is nothing but conic. Now, here diagrammatically we discussed about suppose here P is any point. Now suppose I was taking any real axis. Now this is x axis and this is y axis. Now here P is any point. Okay, the locus of a point moving on a plane. P is any moving on a plane point such that its distance from a fixed point. Now here suppose is any fixed point is S, and fixed straight line, this is called a fixed straight line in the plane are in constant ratio. Now suppose this is a fixed point to the distance is nothing but m. Now the ratio is nothing but they telling SB by PM equal to E. SB by PM equal to E. Now clearly says that once again I am repeating the definition is the locus of a point moving on a plane. ఇక్కడ మనం ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నామంటే P అనే పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఆ పాయింట్ అనేది మూవ్ అవుతున్నది. Now its distance from a fixed point. Now its distance from a fixed point and a fixed straight line. Here this is where the line is called y axis is the fixed line in the plane are in constant ratio. That is nothing but SP and PM. The ratio, constant ratio SP by PM is E is called conic. So SP by PM is equal to E. Now here E is nothing but eccentricity. E is called eccentricity. E is called eccentricity. Now where the depending on the E value, the curve will say that parabola or ellipse or hyperbola depending on E. Here E value is equal to 1. We say that it is a parabola. The curve is called parabola. If E less than 1, 0 less than E less than 1, we say that it is a ellipse. It is a ellipse. Suppose it is E greater than 1, it is we say that hyperbola. We say that the curve is called hyperbola. Parabola is nothing but one curve. The name will be called here parabola. Now that is the condition, depending on the conic section, the formation of parabola will be happen. Now the locus of a point moving on a plane such that the distance from a fixed point and fixed straight line in the plane is called a conic. The ratio is nothing but SP by PM is equal to E, where E is called eccentricity. Now depending on E value, we say that the curve is called either parabola or ellipse or hyperbola. That is E equal to 1, it's called parabola, and E less than 1, it is ellipse. Suppose if E greater than 1, it is called a hyperbola. Now coming to the definition, what is definition? We say that if is E equal to 1, from this definition we get here SP equal to PM. We get SP equal to PM when E equal to 1. Now coming to definition of parabola, it is the locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point is equal to distance from a straight line. Now here SP we define that whose distance from a fixed point. The distance from a fixed point S to P. The distance from a fixed point S to P and is equal to distance from a straight line. Is equal to distance from a straight line. That is PM. So here SP equal to PM. We say that is the straight line is called nothing but parabola. This is the definition of parabola. Conclude, and definitely we say that the depending on eccentricity value, we say that E equal to 1, that is SP by PM equal to, then we say that it is a parabola. Now what is a standard form of parabola? What is standard form of parabola? Now in this video we will see that the very important the standard form of parabola.